In this video, I'm going to show you how to check your Revolut account number. Whether you're new to Revolut or just need to find it quickly, this guide will walk you through every step. First, open the Revolut app on your phone and make sure you're logged in. Once you're on the home screen, look for your profile icon, usually located in the top left or top right corner of the app. Tap on your profile to access your account settings and personal details. From there, you'll see an option labeled Account. Go ahead and tap on it. This is where Revolut stores all the main information about your different accounts, including balances and linked cards. Next, look for Account Details and tap on it. Here, you'll see a list of all the accounts you currently have with Revolut. If you have multiple accounts, select the one you want to check. Once you tap on it, the app will display all the key details for that account, including your IBAN, sort code, and your account number. This is the number you can use for bank transfers, receiving payments, or verifying your account. And that's really all there is to it. It's a very simple process. Profile, account details, and then select the account you need. You can take note of your account number or copy it if needed for any transactions. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees, moving money around, Wise is the best service I know. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there, plus you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with zero fees. Create your free Wise account today using the link below.